I pick them up.
Yeah man. We have to hold it inside.
Ready? Thank you. All of my Bononos folks that are in foreign, right? Check this out. We are here on the delivery trail again, guys. And guess what? We love mangoes. One of our customers gave us some mangoes. There are mangoes on the tree. All you guys in foreign are going to send 2 phone here. All you have to do is go on the website. You're going to see the link somewhere down here. Click on the link. Go to the website, right? Go to promotion. Or you reach promotion. As you go on the website, scroll all the way to the end of the page. Look to the left, you see a little word, promotions. Click on promotion to see all of our many promotions. You see how much mango in that tree? That is the amount of promotions we have. Enough, plenty. There's so many promotions, guys. I can't mention all of them. Be a platinum member. Hey, it is free to become a platinum member. When you join the platinum membership, just go on log into your profile and then click free shipping coupon. After you click free shipping coupon, you're going to see a button that says join. Click on join. Guys, it is absolutely free to join. So when we get the mango, you're free. It is free to become a platinum member and you will never ever have to pay. I guarantee you. Just like I guarantee say mango is sweet. Who know them mango your name? When I call the name, I say who love mango. Comment. If you can comment on the video, you comment on it and tell me them mango your name. I'm going to send one for you. Guys, it is lovely to be in Jamaica at this time of year. What I do? Jump on a plane and come, man. In the meantime, every item that you have to ship to Jamaica, send it to me now. We can deliver them for you straight to yours or your loved one's doorstep. Alright guys, so catch you later. I'm going to wash off them here and I'm going to work toward them. Alright, later.